everyone, hope you're all okay. I'm just coming on to show you my shawl now it's finished. I showed you it 2 or 3 videos ago and it was partly done. I think I've done it up to about there. But I finished it on Saturday. I always take my crocheting with me when we go anywhere in the car, and I actually finished it whilst we were in the car on Saturday, and I'm really pleased with it. There's a few mistakes along the way. I can't tell you where they are now, but I didn't notice them until it's somewhere around the edge when I was doing the edging that I noticed that. I thought, I've done that a bit wrong, but not to worry, I'm still pleased with it. So yeah, it's lovely. I ended up using, this is the yarn that I used in case you didn't see the other video, and I used 2 balls of it, and I've got that much left, so I might make some flowers or something with that, I don't know yet. And I forgot to mention this when I showed it before. I think that should read rhubarb. It's rhubarb. That made me chuckle. I used no, that's not the hook I used. I used a 5mm hook, but it isn't that one for this. And I followed Jayda InStitches, lovely lady, Canadian lady, which I mentioned in my other video as well. She's really fun. She's ever such a fun lady, and she's really good at tutorials, so I will leave the link to her shawl tutorial. And I can't wait to get some more of this yarn because it's just lovely to work with, and it's nice for this. I want to wait until they've got some, like, I don't know, summery colours in, but they haven't got any in yet. You can buy it online, but it works out more expensive. So yes, and I'm not going to use this for my 100 things challenge because I bought the yarn especially to make a shawl with it. It's not from my old stash, and that's the idea of the 100 things challenge, to use your stash up, but I feel that this would be cheating a little bit. Ooh, but I want to. Anyway, that's all. I'm currently up the garden because it's another lovely sunny day, and I'm making something with some of this that came from one of my charity shop hauls. I've got a feeling, I don't know, but I don't know, I just think that label looks like it might be probably a vintage yarn. Don't know, probably totally wrong. Oh no, pound stretcher, I'm probably not totally wrong. I mean, probably wrong about it. If it's pound stretcher, it's not an old one, I wouldn't think. But anyway, I'm talking twaddle, so I shall show you this project another day. It started off as one thing and it's turning out to be another thing. But yes, so that is all. I will take my twaddle off, back up to the garden. Love you and leave you. Have a nice day, and thank you very much for watching. Take care, bye.